make it very clear to fans, I never decided to leave the show. I never wanted to leave the show. In fact, I was very upset that they killed me off. So it wasn't my choice. But I'm a team player, and I understand from a writing standpoint now why you would kill off a lead, because then it's sending the rest of your cast. It's giving them story, because they're all going to react to that and spiral in their own different directions. So I understood why, and the second they asked me that, I was like, hell yeah, absolutely. I love the show. I believe in it. I always will. You guys are like family to me, and I can't wait to play the evil version. So I was really excited.
Thank you. Supergirl.
What movie?
What movie do we wish we were in?
I want to play Catwoman one day. I'm also a big fan of a lot of cats.
You die 9 times.
Yeah.
Since you've done it already.
Always.
I think I would make a fantastic Green Lantern.
That's dope.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, thank you.
Would you like to see me as Green Lantern? He said no!
What do you What do you see?
It's like I quit.
What would you picture?
It's okay, buddy. He's like Batman. That's cool. I'll take Batman.
Batman?
Yeah. No?
What do you see?
What do you see?
For him. Spider-Man. Oh, I like that. He should be a director.
Okay, how about this? In 10 years, 15 years, you direct the new Spider-Man. I'll do it.
Love that.
Thank you very much.
Good job, buddy.